This Kdgarden 6-foot vinyl signpost set feels sturdy and professional, with a clean black finish that looks sharp in front yards and commercial properties alike. The thick polyvinyl construction resists peeling, rotting, and insect damage, so the posts keep their shape and color through different seasons with little upkeep. A reinforced metal ground stake gives the posts a solid anchor in the soil, helping them stay upright in strong winds when many lighter sign holders would lean or topple. The horizontal arm is long enough to support a generously sized real estate or business sign without sagging, which makes listings and messages easy to read from the street. Assembly is straightforward with basic hand tools, and once you have installed one post, putting the second one together goes very quickly. Because this is a 2-pack with all the necessary caps and clips included, it is an efficient option for agents or owners who need multiple matching signs that look polished and consistent.